PowerPoint for Beginners Part 6, Working with Paragraphs. With the aid of the run command, let's generate 2 paragraphs with 3 sentences each to help us work with the paragraph group. The bullets command, when you click, it creates a bullet list. When you click on the bullets drop-down list, there are several options to choose from. If you click a preferred choice, it changes the bullets of the current selected content to match the selected choice. The numbering command, when you click, it creates a numbering list. When you click on the numbering drop-down list, there are numerous of options to choose from. Just click on a different numbering style to change the looks of the currently selected numbering style. The increase list level command, when click, it increases the indent level. The decrease list level command, if you click, it decreases the indent level. Line spacing command, when click, it controls how much space appears between lines of text within a paragraph. When you click on the line spacing command, a dialog box will appear showing various line spacing options you can choose from. There are a whole lot of commands at your disposal. The one I often use is called the exactly, which enables you to set an exact space or point between lines of text. Align left, align the text or content to the left and makes the right ragged. Center, it centers text and makes the right and left ragged. Align right, align the text or content to the right and makes the left ragged. Justify, space outwards and makes lines of equal path by aligning both left and right of the text or content. Add or remove column. It splits your content into 2 or more columns and may remove an existing one. When you click on it, you can have a single column, 2 columns, or 3 columns. With more options, one can add more columns or remove columns. TechTricksGh. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials. Text direction changes the orientation of the text. When you click on the text direction drop-down list, you can change the orientation of the text or content to horizontal, rotate 90 degrees, rotate 270 degrees, stack text, or more. You can do further customization. Align text. It changes how text is aligned within a text box. When you click on the drop-down list, you can align text to the top, middle, bottom, and more, where you can do further customization. Convert to Smart Art helps you to communicate information in a visual way rather than text. It converts text on a slide to smart graphics by presenting them in diagrams, flowcharts, and displaying the message in cycles, processes, and hierarchical way. TechTricksGh. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials. We can further expand the capabilities of the smart object by inserting an image in this shape to tell a story. You can replace the image at any time you feel your option needs replacement. In our next video, we will look at the drawing group within the Home tab and familiarize ourselves with the various commands that come under it. So share, like, and comment on our videos to give us a reason to do more.